Hey girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are just playing in makeup and creating this nice festive holiday look. And I'm not using anything new, so if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I already did my brows to save a little bit of time. There's nothing really new there. I'm going to prime the eyes with the Too Faced Multi-Sculpting Concealer. This is in the shade Warm Beige. So I'm going to go in with this Juvias the Bronze Rustic palette. And I haven't used this palette in a long time, but it has like these rustic shades, like oranges, bronzy shades. We're going to keep the eye simple since we're going to go in with a bold lip. So I'm just going to use the bronzy gold and some transition shade as well. I'm going to take this shade and place that all over the lid. And I'm going to add this yellow orangey shade. These don't have the names on it. And I'm just going to put that at the top of the brow, or eye, I should say, just to give it like a transition shade. Now this palette doesn't really have a deep brown shade. It's what I want to put on the outer corner. So I'm going to take this shade right here and just place that on the outer corner. I really want to deepen this shade up. But to deepen this shade up, I'm going to go in with this Morphe 15T Your True Selfie palette, and I'm going to use this dark brown shade because I don't want the look to look similar to my most recent Throwback Thursday video. Yeah, this looks better. I want it to be like smoky. And this is the Morphe M441 brush. I know they have new brushes now, so I don't know if this one is still a part of it. Yes, that's what I wanted, like some smokiness. This palette is missing that color. So I'm gonna take the first brush that we had and put no extra product on it, just blending out that top part. Kind of lost that top of the shade up the top. Now going into this golden shade here, and I'm gonna just use my finger and place that all over the lid. Yeah, this is beautiful. It's like a coppery gold. It's not like your yellow gold, your typical yellow gold. But all of these type of shades are like perfect for the holidays. So I'm going to use this e.l.f. Lash Extender Mascara. And then we're going to pop on some lashes. And this is pretty much the eye. Try to keep it as simple as possible. So for primer, I'm going to go in with this Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. It's the hydrating one. Love this primer. I was going through my makeup stash and I'm like, wait a minute, I haven't used this in a while. But this is a very hydrating primer, very lightweight. Almost feels like a serum. And it just gives a nice natural glow. For foundation today, we're going to be going in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. I haven't used this in a very long time. This is a brand new bottle, and I was like, let me get back to this because this is like that go-to for like full-on glam. And I am in the shade 4W2 Toasty Toffee. Love, love, love Estee Lauder Double Wear down, okay? Been using this for years. And a little bit goes a very long way. This gives you like that really nice airbrushed full coverage foundation, and you just look so well put together. Like I said, a little bit goes a long way with this foundation, and I always try to re-up on it during the Ulta sale when they do the 21 days of beauty. Sometimes this is on there. This has been on there for the past couple of years, I would say. And that's usually when I like really go in and get some of my products and like re-up on products. So I start with a brush and then I go in with a sponge. And it is buildable. Like I said, a little bit goes a long way, so you don't want to put too much to look cakey, because as this wears throughout the day, it's just so good. It's so good. Look like I spent hours on makeup and I did not. Love this. Love, love, love. Concealer today, I'm gonna go in with the Win Beauty, and these are in the shade 225 and 210. So 225 I'm gonna put down here, and then 210 I'm gonna go and put this at the top. It is a little bit brighter. For bronzing, I'm gonna go in with my Juvias Place foundation stick. This is in the shade Benin. I'm using this Ulta brush. This has been one of my favorite brushes for all time. This is the Ulta Beauty buffing brush. It's perfect for blending out cream products. I typically use it for my bronzer, but lately I've been like using it for foundation and then going in with a sponge and then going in with my bronzer like I'm doing now. And I just feel like it's been giving like that flawless finish, especially when I do like underpainting on like my quick makeup, no makeup looks, or no makeup looks. For setting powder, I'm gonna go on with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. It's been one of my faves for years. One of my faves for years. One of my favorite brands overall. Bronzer, I'm gonna go on with this Becca bronzer today. This is the Becca Sunlit Bronzer in Ipanema Sun. Ipanema? Girl, I'm probably butchering that. For blush, I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place Blush Rouge. It's in volume 1, looks like this. And I just like to go in both shades like this. These are very pigmented, very pigmented. Going in with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake and Switch powder, or Snatch, in the shade Peach Pie. Love this stuff. It is perfect for brightening the under eye. And I usually like to do that right in here. I set my brows with the Rare Beauty gel. Love this stuff, as I always talk about. Highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Buttermelt highlighter. This is in the shade Bronze Gold. Now on to the lip. We're gonna do the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Club Hopper. This is like a maroon shade. So this combo is really, really nice, but I don't like it with the lids. I don't know, what do you think? I'm not sure if I like it with the lids. I'm just gonna go in with a nude since the eyes are so bold, but this is a really good combo for the holiday season. So I'm gonna take this Sarcastic Cosmetics lip liner. These are some oldie but goodies in my collection. These are the Balm Meet Matte Hues liquid lipsticks. And I'm gonna start with the darker shade first, which is Reliable. They smell like they have like mint in them. So this is gonna set the stage, and then we're gonna go in with the lighter one, which is called Charismatic. They feel so nice on the lip. They have like that minty feel, but it's not plumping. To set the face, I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place setting spray. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.